I am looking forward to getting started with this, guys. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Feel Good Fridays. Now let's kick this off with a bit of a laugh. Let's look at some pictures of 20-year-old cheeky Carl, not happy in his own skin, lacking in confidence, and certainly not taking care of himself. And then somewhere down the line, I realized that looking after myself made a huge difference, not just to the way that I looked, but also to the way that I felt, the confidence that it gave me. And I know it's so overwhelming. There is so many products out there. I wish someone guided me through this back in the day and say, where do I get started? Now, I've spent years trying new products, trying new routines, and that is why I wanted to start this series, to help guide you through it, to share with you what actually works, the products, the hacks, the routines, all of those things, simple, affordable ways. And today's is how do we get started? Two simple step way in getting started into this. And I have realized over the years as well that I thought it was obvious that these two steps were things that we all need to do and use. And I've realized that even my brother and my partner were not doing them. So step one, so important, so vital, and the perfect place to start is just getting to know yourself, getting to know your own skin. What are your skin needs? Do you have spots? Do you have clogged pores? Do you have oily skin? Is it dehydrated? That is my key issue. I have very dehydrated skin. I get very red, blemished skin. I mean, if you see me when I get off a treadmill, I look like my face is going to explode. So that is very important, knowing your skin, to then when we come into step two, which is your product selection. Now, there's two simple products that you need to get started. That is it. It takes a minute to do in your routine. And obviously knowing your skin, that's where you come in to knowing what products you need to get. Now, if you have the confidence to go into a store, asking someone in a store to help is really important and really an easier way in doing this, because that's what they're there to do. That's what they're employed to do, to help you. For me personally, I didn't have that confidence to go into a store, so I purchased things online. But then it's like, what products do I use? How many products do I use? So basically what I would say is the first product that you need in your routine, and you should be using every single morning and every single night, is a cleanser. Your skin is built up from over the day of touching things, touching your face. When you sleep at night, your face is on your pillow where maybe your hair product is if you don't shower at night, which I'm going to admit I don't. I shower in the morning. So your face is getting clogged with all these things which can cause spots and irritation to your skin. So wiping the slate clean like a canvas, getting a whole new canvas, that is what a cleanser is going to do. It's going to wipe the slate clean. So it's really important that every morning and every night you wipe that slate clean with a cleanser. And when it comes to what cleanser to use, if you guys need any product recommendations for your skin, let me know about kind of your skin needs down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to help with giving you some recommendations in products. Now, obviously, when it comes to the cleanser, for me, like I said, dehydrated skin, this pretty much says on the tin what it is. Hydrating cleanser from CeraVe. So you should look out on products at what ingredients go into them and also what they are kind of targeting. And for me, where I get blemished skin, I try and stay clear of products that have too much alcohol in them, because you can drink alcohol naturally in the day or at night or at weekends, but I don't really like it in products because it does irritate my skin. So it's just getting to know what products work for you. The second product that is very important to use every single day is a cleanser. No, that's what I just said. Is a moisturizer. Correct myself. Now, a moisturizer is so important because now you've washed the slate clean. Now you want to put something on your skin that is going to target the areas you need. Because if you don't try and correct something, then it's just always going to be there, whether that's spots, oily skin, like dehydration. We need to put stuff into your skin now that is going to help. It's going to protect your skin. It's going to repair your skin. Now, for me personally, I've got two products here. You've got Dove, which literally says on it, moisturizer, and it's for oil control, or what I generally use at the moment, which is Kiehl's. This one is for hydration. Again, if you've got any questions, let me know down below and I can try and recommend them. So they're the two products that I would say, a cleanser and a moisturizer, are so important to your everyday routine. If you only want to do it once a day just to get started, that's fine. Do it in the morning. But I would generally say it takes about a minute, do it every morning and every night, and your skin will start to see results. The third product that this took a bit of time for me to kind of get into my routine, but I would say it's very, very, very important, and I'm sure someone's told you this before, is an SPF. Whether the sun is beaming outside or not, we should generally be wearing an SPF every single day to protect our skin from any UV rays that are there. And this is one of those things that you kind of get lazy in it, you don't use it, but as you get older, like I am, you kind of regret not putting it on your skin, because the longer you leave it, the older you get, the more chance you've got at looking like an abandoned leather bag. Your skin will get wrinkles, your skin will just look worn out and tired. And that is what the sun does to your skin. So an SPF is very important. Some brands like Kiehl's, many other brands as well, sometimes they do have an SPF in the moisturizer, so you're kind of getting two benefits out of it. The only thing I would say with this, if I'm being honest, that where they're putting an SPF into a moisturizer, it can make it a bit more thicker product, harder to rub in. So whereas for me personally, I quite like a light product. I quite like something that doesn't look very kind of oily on my skin. It kind of like soaks in very naturally and just still gives my face that natural matte look. So just be careful. Whereas this one from Kiehl is an ultra light daily UV defense. Oh, I can't get my words out. UV defense. So you can get products now that are a bit more lighter, just so it doesn't look too kind of thick on your skin. So they are the kind of 3 products that I would say that you need in a starter pack to your grooming routine. And they are the 2 steps, getting to know your skin and your product selection, that are so important in getting started. After that, on this Feel Good Fridays, we're going to take you further, because you can then grow on your routine. You can use an eye cream. For me personally, I always look like I've had no sleep because I get quite dark circles. So targeting those then areas as you get to know your skin. Face masks. I love a Sunday reset. I like putting a face mask on. It makes me feel good, it makes me feel relaxed, and it's giving my skin exactly what it needs. So that's what we're going to be discussing every single week on this Feel Good Fridays. Now, if you have any questions, like I said, pop them down in the comments box below. If you enjoy this kind of series, then please give it a thumb up, and I will see you next week for another episode.